In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Hummer H2 key fob. Now you saw in the thumbnail a slightly different version of this. There are a few different versions of this particular key fob. The one you most likely have, it has two circular buttons up here instead of this kind of different shaped one. And instead of saying lock and unlock, it has pictures of a lock and a opened lock. And instead of having this trunk button, it has the red panic button right there. It doesn't matter which version you have, they take the same battery and the process to open them is exactly the same as well. So you can just follow along with me here, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only thing you'll need to get it done is a coin to open this device up, or if you don't have that, just grab a flathead screwdriver, whichever one you have on hand. And of course, you'll need a battery, which in this case is a CR2032 battery. Now, if you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check it down in the description down there. The first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now, opening the device is super simple. You're just going to look down here where the keyring attaches, and right to the right of that, there's a large indentation in the plastic. Take your coin or flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and give it a twist. And just like that, the device will crack open and we will have access to the battery. From here, you can just lift the battery out, pull it out with your fingers, or if that is difficult, if you don't have any fingernails or it's just a little bit tricky for you, you can use the flathead that you might have used to open this thing up, or even a pen or pencil, something like that. And what we just want to do is gently lift up the battery. You can do that by finding this kind of dark square there. That's just a little indentation that helps us to get under the battery. So now you can dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this side, the positive side, that has the plus sign on it, is facing down. So you will just click it into place with the positive side facing down. And now we can just click the two halves of the device back together. Just squeeze it back together, and with that, you are all set. You got a new battery in there that should last you for years, and hopefully you saved some money doing it yourself at home instead of having to bring your key fob all the way down to the dealership. So I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.